so today I have a workout routine for you guys. I've actually been doing yoga for a few years now, and I just realized I've never put a yoga workout here on my YouTube channel, so today's the day. Also, I have a new mat from Repose Yoga and I'm so excited to use it. So before we get started, I just have to tell you about this mat because I just think it's so cool. It's 100% natural, non-toxic, made with eco-friendly materials. These Repose mats are made from eco-friendly organic cork and 100% natural rubber. I think it's also really cool because it comes with this strap, so you can just like carry it around. I feel like most yoga mats don't come with like a little strap, so I think that's really nifty. I'm a really big fan of eco-friendly products, and I just think this is a really great idea, especially if you're someone who likes to work out every week. If you're like me and you like to do yoga, if you like to do Jillian Michaels videos, if you like to do Blogilates, definitely check out this mat. I'll put a link down below in the description bar. But again, I'm just really excited to use this mat. I just think it's gorgeous. Also is a bonus because it's eco-friendly, and I'm going to use it for today's workout. So there's actually 5 moves in this workout, and let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, so we're starting with a very beginner basic yoga move. This is a sun salutation, and you want to lift your arms up to the sky and then drop them down in front of you. And I've moved my right leg behind me, and this is a great stretch. And I'm going to go ahead and move my left leg behind me as well and drop into a Chaturanga Push-Up and then push myself up. And we're going to do this move a couple more times so you get familiar with it, but now I'm going to move into Down Dog. And this is also a great stretch. I'm not that flexible, so you know, that's my down dog. So I'm just gonna move the opposite leg forward and just stand right back up and do the same thing again, but I'm gonna use the opposite leg this time. I like to stretch my back a little bit between these two as well. So again, lifting your arms up to the sky and then dropping them back down to the mat, and then pushing the opposite leg behind you. This is such a great stretch for your legs. It feels amazing. Hence the smile. So I'm gonna go ahead and get into plank position now, drop into that Chaturanga push-up, push myself up, and then do the down dog again. And it's nice to hold these positions for just a few seconds. It just feels really good. Then I'm gonna bring my foot back up and go ahead and stand up, lift my arms up to the sky, and do it one more time. And this time I'm going to jump my legs back. Hello. If you feel comfortable doing that. If not, just go ahead and step back like before. But these sun salutations are great for like just getting into a workout, or they're great for a warm-up before you work out, but I actually added it as the first move, so kind of cheating a little bit, but let's go ahead and get into the next move. So the second movement is Chaturanga Push-Ups, and these are brutal. So basically you just want to come down into plank, and then what we're going to do are some push-ups, but what you want is to have your elbows behind you, and this is what makes this push-up harder, I think, is having your elbows come behind you. So if you want to, you could go down to your knees to make this move a little bit easier. But if you want to make this a little bit harder, a little bit more challenging, get back to your feet. And yeah, basically a Chaturanga push-up is having your elbows behind you. And again, this makes it more difficult, I think, than a regular push-up. Alright, so enough of those push-ups. Those will kill your arms. Basically, I'm just going to place my right foot up by my hands and then raise my right hand to the sky. And I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. So with my left foot coming up front, and then my left hand reaching up towards the sky. And this is a really nice stretch. This just feels really good. And you can do this a little bit quicker to do like a slightly cardio thing, but it's really nice. It's a good stretch, and I've actually come back to this move before, just before and after doing my workouts, just because it feels so good on your body. So just a few more, and then we're going to move into our fourth move. Alright, so moving into our fourth move, this is actually a Pilates move, and it's great for your tummy area. And I actually am going to start by laying down on the mat, and I've learned this roll down technique by Blogilates, so I'll put her channel down below. But basically you want to be in this position where you're lifting yourself up, and then you're gonna push your arms and legs out. So you're like have this tabletop position, and then you're gonna repeatedly do this move, and it's kind of like you're swimming, but you're totally not, but that's just kind of what it feels like. Just laying on your back kind of, but also really working your ab area. Also, I have to mention that I'm wearing Blogilates' outfit today. This is Pop Pilates' outfit, and this is just really awesome. I love this. This is like my go-to workout outfit, so I'll put that down below in the description as well. I just love I love the way this outfit feels and looks, and this part isn't sponsored at all. I'm just a fan. So moving on to the last move, and actually we're gonna finish with some sun salutations, just to, you know, forewarning, letting you know. But on to the 5th move. This is a dolphin move, and I love this. This is great for your core and arms. So basically I was in plank and I've just come down to my elbows and I'm just lifting myself up, so bottoms up. That's what we're doing here, and then you're gonna drop back down, but don't let your core hit the floor. Basically you just want to support yourself the entire time, and again, this is great for your core, this is great for your arms, your shoulders. You'll really feel this. I love this move, and yeah, this is harder than it looks. I think when I first started doing this movement, I've been pretty shaky, but you build your strength and you get better each day you work out, so that's pretty awesome. And moving on, I'm just gonna drop myself onto my mat, going into down dog, and then yeah, we're just gonna finish with some sun salutations and feel really good and strong for the rest of your day. Oh man, I just sounded like Jillian Michaels, sorry. I've done her DVDs too long, so I'm just gonna jump back this time, go down with the Chaturanga push-up, push myself back up, and then go into down dog. And then if you want to jump or step, go ahead and do that, and then come back up with your arms, a nice good stretch. And again, I like to kind of stretch out my back in between these. But I'm just gonna go back down and do the last sun salutation. Yay! So I'm just gonna drop back down into Chaturanga, push myself up, then go back into down dog. And actually it's funny because when I do my workouts, my dog Stevie likes to stretch right beside me. It's just a fun fact. Anyway, congratulations, now you can dance around and have just a great rest of your day. I'm ending this video with so much cheese. Okay, so I'm actually like to end all my workouts by stretching out a little bit. I'll stretch my arms out. I like to stretch out my legs a little bit too, so I'll go ahead and do my left leg. And I like to stretch the opposite arm over just to feel that stretch throughout the side and of your back, and it just feels so good. So go ahead and do that, and congratulations with your workout. Alright guys, so that's it for my workout video. If you liked this type of video, definitely give this video a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more workout routines from me, just let me know, because I would love to film a couple of these, I think, every month. I've had a few workout videos do fairly well on my channel, and I think it'd be cool to kind of keep that updated and keep that consistent and do at least a couple every month. Yeah, I hope you guys are having an awesome week, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Alright, bye!